Neuroscientific research has shown that some kind of mindfulness technique or meditation can greatly reduce stress in as short as 60 seconds. So I'd like you to take a moment, sit upright in your chair where you are, or sit in a chair, and let's take a nice, long, deep breath. Exhale and just let your body relax. Good, good. Now say to every muscle, release, 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 release. Just move your attention up and down your body, letting go of all stress. Release, 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 release. And then take a moment to just tune into what you feel in your heart. Just notice what you're feeling right there. When you practice this regularly, you can instantly put yourself in a state of peace and calmness.